So guys, they seem to have our collective a little distracted once again with this shit going on in Miami. While this was taking place, there was something major going on in the background. JP Morgan literally just declared that they'll be filing for bankruptcy January the 23rd, which is in 2 weeks' time. May I repeat, the biggest banker in the world, JP Morgan, has literally just declared that they'll be filing for bankruptcy on January the 23rd. So while everyone was distracted by this teenage fight that 80 cop cars needed to be called to, that you then thought that the distraction from that was the aliens at the mall, which was actually Project Bluebeam. Man, you guys know all this is coming. Then I also seen another post that they typed that it was a portal, and they typed in reverse coordinates, and the reverse coordinates located back to Antarctica. Man, come on guys, we're smarter than this. You can see through all this shit. Come on guys. So yeah, JP Morgan filing for bankruptcy. They're only filing for bankruptcy from the fiat system that we're currently operating in, guys. So what do you reckon is going to happen with the rest of the banks in the world? They're all going to follow suit, and after the banks go, then the stocks go. It's all going to go together, man. This is going to make 2008 look like child's play, guys. This is a complete and utter collapse, and they're going to be transferring all this into the digital system with the CBDCs and all this kind of thing. Fear not, guys, because if you can't beat them, you join them. We're going to beat them at their own game, guys, and that's what we're here to do. So when all this stuff takes place and it comes up in your feeds and all this kind of thing, like the Cat Williams and all that kind of thing, just take a step back and just say, well, what else is going on in the background on the sidelines? Where else do I need to take a look? I also seen leaked information about the Ripple lawsuit hearing being complete. That's it. It's finally over. And I've seen this post at 113, and anybody that knows that's been following XRP Ripple for quite some time, they know that how significant the number 113 is. So I feel that was a coded, divinely guided message to me that the Ripple lawsuit's over and we're just waiting. Also had another download, April. I don't like to talk dates because they come and go all the time, but April has been absolutely everywhere in my reality, guys. We've got this shit, so make sure you got all your ducks in a row. If you got money in the bank, man, get it the fuck out. Let's get it into gold, silver, all your commodities, your physical tangible assets, guys, all your ISO tokens. Look up ISO 20022 compliant coins, guys. That's where you want to be. Your money is not safe in the bank, guys. We've got this shit. I'll keep you in the loop anyway. Much love, guys.